Hi, my name is Sam Lozano, and welcome to this presentation. I did this for Real Estate Salesforce, one of the top real estate brokers in South Florida. Now let's go ahead and get started. How to generate qualified buyer and seller leads in 24 hours with Google Ads and a landing page. This screenshot here is a screenshot of my inbox. As you can see, I get an average of about 5 leads per day. You can see here the budget's 200,000, 220,000, 150,000, 300,000, 150,000. Now I'm currently living in Valencia, Spain, so prices of homes are usually a lot cheaper than in the US. Now let's get moving along. This right here is my landing page, Samuel Lozano, RE Max, here in Valencia, Spain. And as you can see, this is a very, very simple and clean landing page. Has a call to action here, the form above the fold. And very important is the MLS. You know, everyone, as a realtor, and I'm still a licensed realtor in Florida, which is where I'm from. I just decided to move to Spain a couple years ago, and I started doing real estate here as well also. But you don't want to have an MLS, because the point of a landing page is to capture the lead, capture people's information. Having an MLS, like, you know, it's fine if you have it on your main website and you want people to browse the properties, but for a landing page, we don't want MLS. And I know this because I've had clients that had a very pretty websites, but they didn't get leads. They're like, Sam, we tried Google Ads and it doesn't work. Why? You weren't using a landing page. So this right here is actually my personal landing page, and pretty much the landing page style and template that I use for all my clients. Why? Because it converts. Simple. This is actually one of my first clients, Laura Keller. She was specialized in Brickell, Continuum South Beach, a couple of very high-end buildings in South Beach, as well as Aventura. And as you can see here, again, very similar. And honestly, I told Laura this, but I think that that even this, like, for example, this one, Continuum South Beach, I think was too busy. I think it was too much information, like too cluttered, right? But, you know, again, I also take my clients' feedback and do as they want, right? Even though I suggested not to have as many, not to have so much information so cluttered. But again, even without this, you can see that it's the same form on the top. Again, same form on the top, call to action button, a different color that pops. And let's take a look at normal websites, right? These websites, obviously, like, you're never gonna, I mean, not never, but like, I don't even see a phone number to call somebody. I don't see a form anywhere. Look, this one is design-wise a lot better. I mean, actually, I think this is a very nice website. I mean, it's very clean looking, right? But again, there's no like lead capture form. If I want to call, I have to press this button, which is kind of small and hidden. Good website, not good for Google Ads or for capturing leads. So the title of this presentation was how to get buyer leads for $5 using Google Ads, right? So if we dig into this Aventura campaign that we did, you know, we have all the information such as clicks, impressions, click-through rates, overall cost, right? 357 for all these campaigns. We have the number of conversions. We have the cost per conversion, and we see here the cost per conversion, $32.46. Now you're probably thinking, Sam, what the heck? You told me I was going to get leads for $5. Okay, now here's the thing. Let's dig a little deeper, right? Once we click on this campaign, we see here the different keywords that we're bidding on, the different types of match, whether it's broad match, exact match, phrase match, broad modified. Here we're doing broad, and here we're doing exact match. When you see these little parentheses or these brackets, it means exact match, and I'll go more into that in a little bit. So here we can see that we had one lead for $10.67, another one for $10.27, another one for $6.88, another one for $5.48. Okay, now what happens is when you launch a campaign, and let's say that you're targeting 10 different keywords, you have to give each keyword a fair chance. And as the weeks go by, like for example, this one right here, apartments for sale in Aventura, we spent $14.37. We had 0 conversions. So obviously that is raising our average cost per lead by a lot. So we remove that keyword. Another one that we didn't remove yet, but we'll probably remove, is this one. We spent $10.57, 0 sales. 0 conversions, 0 leads, right? This one, $6.67. So as the days and the weeks and the months go pass, you start eliminating keywords that are not converting, and your average cost per lead will go down and down and down. Now, the only thing is that when you first launch these campaigns, you pretty much have to monitor it every hour, watch it like a hawk, because what will happen if you don't watch it like a hawk is that, you can, let's say you set up a campaign today and your budget is $50, right? Then you check it tomorrow afternoon and you see that you spent $50, you got 0 conversions, and you're like, this crap doesn't work. But reality is that maybe you had one keyword that blew all your budget. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, guys and gals. Now, this is 4 reasons why your Google ad campaigns don't work. Number 1, you aren't using a landing page. As I said before, I've had clients come to me that tried Google ads and told me they didn't work. I looked at their website, very pretty website, MLS, everything, but there's no call to action, okay? Number 2, you don't have a conversion pixel placed. Now, this one's crucial because this is what tells us which keywords are sending conversions, which keywords are sending leads, and which ones are just burning through budget, and we need to get rid of those. Number 3, this one's a very, very important one, is exact match. As I mentioned before, you see this here. These little brackets means that your ad will only show up when people type in Aventura, Florida condos for sale. If you're doing something like this, which is condo for sale in Aventura, Florida, like without the brackets, then you're gonna show up for condo for sale in Aventura, condo for sale Aventura, best condos for sale. So you're gonna show up for a lot of relevant and related keywords. So one keyword can very well, one broad match can easily give you 10, 20, 30 keywords. So you have to, and sometimes they're not really good keywords. So you have to add those to the negative keyword list, which is, a whole another topic. But basically, when you're starting out, only start with exact match. Then you can expand to broad match. And number 4, you don't give each keyword a fair chance. So let's say that I don't want to pay more than $25 for a lead or $10 for a lead. Again, as I mentioned before, keep in mind that your cost per lead is going to be going down every day, every week, every month. But let's say to start off, you don't want to pay more than $15 for a lead. Then you see here, $14, we didn't get a lead. We're going to pause that, okay? What will happen is you'll usually get like 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords that will generate leads for you at a very low price. And in theory, if you wanted to, you could just pause everything and just leave those keywords running, right? So what are the next steps? Are you on a limited budget and would like to set up a campaign for yourself? Step number 1 is to build your landing page using Unbounce. If you found this presentation helpful, hopefully you did, you can sign up using my affiliate links below And yes, I do get a commission, but you will not be charged anything extra. Number 2, do your keyword research using Google Keyword Planner. I suggest you narrow down to a specific neighborhood, building name, or farm area. Step 3, create campaign on Google Ads. Make sure to use exact match. Now, if you're busy and you want me to take care of this whole process for you, as well as using my proven to convert landing pages, fully customized obviously, then schedule a quick 15-minute call to get started. Thanks so much, and hope you have a great day.